Thank you very much, Orla. The government have promised two pieces of legislation, one in the area of planning and development bill and the other a housing bill. Can I ask the Minister, when are those two pieces of legislation likely to be here before us? And if they're not going to be presented imminently, could I ask if the government will provide time in the very near future for a discussion on housing? And I ask for that in the context of a statement today by the Dublin Simon community, where it says that the government's emergency housing response is not providing any light at the end of the tunnel for people in need of emergency accommodation. We have 2,000 adults in this city, Las Corla, nearly 1,000 children in emergency accommodation. That emergency accommodation is becoming long-term, and we now once again have 151 people sleeping rough in this capital city. The Minister did move to provide 271 beds after Christmas, following the tragic death of Jonathan Curry. But the crisis continues, and the crisis needs to be addressed. And it needs to be addressed urgently. And what do you propose, Minister, to do about it?
Legislation. The first one, which had previously, I think, been entitled the Planning and Development Bill, is now to be entitled the Urban Regeneration and Housing Bill, and that is expected before Cabinet by the end of May, and for subsequent publication. And then the housing, I think the bill to which the Deputy refers, the Housing Regulatory and Approved Bodies Bill, will be forthcoming later this year.